Hi. Hello. Hmm? Hello, Nerdsoul. Yo. Thank you for the sub. Welcome. How are you doing? All right. We're gonna wait a little bit. Right. But let me see. I need my GitHub. Hello, hello. How are you doing? We're just starting here. New emote blog. Do you like this emote though? I feel like we should change it into something else. Like, when would you use this emote? Who am I? You like it? Alright. Oh, but when would you use it though? Is the question. You know, you can always use the crab, right? If we just make another crab, it's like it's a win always, right? But this, you use it all the time. Where? I didn't see you use it at all. I think you're lying. Well, the greatest game dev, Bevy. Yeah, Davey is the greatest game dev here. And I am a no one. Davey asked who am I? I am no one. You are. Though, amazing. Congratulations on winning the Bevy Jam. If you guys didn't know yet, we won the Bevy Jam. Who's Davey? Black also first place. Wait, really? Hold on. Let me see this. HIO Jam. Little Doctor, LDG Game Jam. Alright, we are going to check it out. Results. Oh, it is. You didn't lie. No way. Well, congratulations. Anyone else did a jam while I was away? .933 is so bad though. Well, it's better than the others, I guess. Wait, if you are number 1 and this one is number 2, but you are... Oh, it's like overall. Okay. I see. Well, I don't know. 3.9 means 4.9? I'm not sure about that. What's that notification? I'm being followed by people. Now that we have won the Bevy Gem. But before we go to Bevy Gem, there was another gem. There was the... I'm being followed. Yeah. There was another gem though before we go into Bevy. There was the Ludwig gem, and we also won that one. So yeah, the Ludwig gem happened 2 months ago, but the results are technically not in yet. The results are not available yet. Come back later. You know, Koopy's backslash for me to switch to bash streams. How were your Rust streams? I didn't watch much because of the internet. What's the grand prize for this gem? For the Ludwig gem. The Ludwig gem is 20,000 bucks, right? And it is split between the top 10 entries. The stream has happened, and I think we have won $2,000 on this gem. But I'm not sure. I mean, I think they said it's 2,000, but then also they said it's 2,000 for everyone, but then they decided like to split top 5 into a different kind of category, and they decided to give them more, right? So like, but then it's going to be more than 20,000. But then also they nominated not the top 10 but top 11. So like it's 2,000 more than specified here at least already. So I don't know. So you can go on vacation again with the prize. Yeah, I guess so. Or I could cover my current vacation that I did with this prize, yes. But it's going to probably be 2,000 for a team, right? So it's going to be split between me, Brainoid, and Rinks. 150 entries, good chance. Well, we already did win. This is already, like, out. Let me show you. We go to YouTube, right? Gonna be so rich. We could make the game better if we knew they're giving more. Yeah, exactly. That's the only reason. Here's Evan MMO, for example, right? Evan also won. If you guys know who Evan is, they made the this dude is so happy that they won, you know. This Shadow Crushers is another gem. You will be with me in the gem if I participate. We already participated in this one, and we already won. And this dude already won also. Ludwig played our games. You know who Ludwig is? You go to YouTube, you search Ludwig, and you see this channel with 5 million, 4.6 million subscribers, right? And like you look sad when you won. Yeah, I'm not too happy about the fact that we won. I mean, I am happy, but I expected more of it, I guess. If we like, I didn't expect us to win, but if we did win, I expected more to happen other than just us winning money, because that's all it feels like right now. We just got some money, you know. You're a subscriber of this. Right, let's see the video. So there was this video. The latest video on Ludwig's channel is about the thing. Their reactions were kind of, yeah. I mean, yeah. It like when I was watching the stream, it didn't feel like they were too excited to play the games themselves, but that's fine. And then like some organizational like stuff. Let's see this first though. I think, yeah, they're going to play our game over here. It's just like 1 minute.
Coots Mania. Track Mania? Oh, I can pick my...
this is our game that we made, and this is Ludwig playing our game.
60 people play?
Oh, let's go. Oh, yeah, I see me.
Oh, the driving
How do I move?
You have to do WASD, but it's weird. Like, you don't move like...
It's like tank controls.
Yeah, it is. You have to push forward in the direction you want. Is this elimination?
Yeah.
All right, get in there. Come on, team. Who are we missing?
I got eliminated.
Oh, I got kicked it from the lobby. I want to.
How the fuck do you get there?
Uh-oh.
Go around.
No! No! I didn't understand the layout! The evil Dr. Coots is...
And that's it. That's Pog, right? This is our 30 seconds of fame. Just over here. Alright. And there's also like there's also a live stream where you can watch it a little like more of, right?
Hello!
Hi. Where is it? Where is it? They didn't hi? Like do too dirty. It's like the problem is they didn't play the game for a very long time, you know? I feel like that's partially our own fault too though.
So actually.
Let's see.
I'm a web
Ludwig did
guy.
sing the melody too, by the way.
This one is online. So if we all press play,
Wait,
at the
it's
same
not
time,
coming
maybe-
up.
Let me watch this. I watched it a little bit like when it was happening, but my internet was pretty bad, so I didn't watch it fully. So let's see. And also Ludwig was streaming. Cutie was streaming too, apparently, right? Because there was the edit of Cutie's POV, but I didn't see her stream for some reason. And then Otto was also streaming, and also Otto played by himself. Yeah, I think this is one of the. Hello, Velvas. How are you doing? Velvas is also another person who made a game, and congratulations, Velvas, for winning the Ludwig gem. I'm just going to watch back how Ludwig played our game. Congratulations as well. Thank you. I'm going to do a little rant though right now because it's congratulations, but I'm not too happy about it anyway. Let's watch it though. So the first thing that happened.
That's good.
The first thing that
Game
happened.
14. What's it called again?
They went into this.
Scatter pause.
Scatter pause.
No, not scatter pause. Where's my game?
Master Auto.
So
There were so many people in the game. Yeah.
Yay.
I did expect there to be more, and I'm gonna talk about it a little bit.
Nice. We all beat it.
Well,
Alright,
I
yeah.
just beat a level.
all right, let's do Coots Mania.
So here's
Boots Mania.
they starting to
Mania?
play our game. So this is the thing that Autumn made, right? There is the their own like downloader of the games, right? And over here you can choose Kutzmania Windows build or the web build. And Ludwig pressed the web build, and then Otto himself pressed the Windows build. And if you go to the itch page of the game itself, it says that the game is online multiplayer, everybody plays on the same server. Alternatively, use downloadable versions where you can play against bots. So what happened is like Automated was playing against bots. They thought that it was like a different thing, you know? Yeah, thank God you glitch web. It was like almost like very, very bad, but Otto played the Windows build, which means that he played all with himself. Yeah. So yeah, there's this. And also
I'm doing the
think
web
so, actually.
version.
also
I'm a web guy.
And this one is
let's
online.
continue.
So if we all press play,
Wait,
at the
it's
same
not
time,
coming
maybe in the
up.
same lobby. No space. Coots Mania.
Oh.
Oh, I can pick my
I'm a web guy,
part-
yeah.
Oh, there's so many cute options.
We removed the web build to avoid this from happening for us because our web build was buggy. Yeah, I mean the thing is, okay, this instruction is here on the game page. Did they not read through like they knew that these games are going to be played on stream, right? They didn't read this, right? That's what it means. They just go in blindly into this thing. I should actually like try and download Otto's thing just to see it, because there's no description there, right? You just click the game, you select the game, and then you select the version. No description is being like selected there. Also, they required us to have a GitHub page for the game, and over here there is like also like there's like instructions for running your own server, because that's what I thought they would do if they noticed this, you know. And I think would be like need write instructions in game. Yeah, if I put a big banner, you are playing like alone and not on the global server, right? Just now I remember all the bullshit that happens in game jams. You know, submitting game jams, people cared about everything but the games. Yeah, I mean, it's partially our fault too, right? We could make it more obvious, right? I just expected them to like prepare for the stream a bit more, I think. Yeah. But people need instruction in game. Do I need to put instruction in game that they should be running their own server because it's more fun? I think it would be more fun for Ludwig to play the game with their people only. So like if Otto was playing against Curie and against Otto and against the Michael Reeves also was another judge, right? So if they were just played like with 4 of them, or maybe they like included they let the mods also into the stream, so that they were playing against people that they know, it would be more fun for them, I think. Just saying though, it's okay though. Let's go.
All right, I think I'll go.
Otto said to push play at the same time before, or no?
Not oh, what? Launch the game, and then once you're inside the game, we should all press play at the same time.
I'm waiting for
Oh,
y'all.
okay.
Kutz is shaking on the chair, is about
Ready
to fall.
Q-snipe. You guys want to call? You guys all in?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
You're in, Michael?
Yeah.
All right, Otto, you're in?
Yep.
You guys picked your cart that you like in the color at the bottom right?
Also, like, we need to put instructions in game. We have instructions in game. It says just type your name. Ludwig apparently didn't see this.
All right, I'm calling it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, play.
So yeah, he's going to play without the name.
Jesus Christ, who am I?
I think we're.
That's fine though. That's fine. So that's also something that we could have made on our part. If you hit play and you did not specify your name, we could like show an error or something like, do type your name, please. You know?
We're not in this round.
So yeah.
I got a warm-up round.
Wait, you're in something? I'm watching people play.
There were
two
plenty
rounds,
of
right? You guys see
people
that?
named Ludwig in the lobby.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
I didn't really look closely. What were? Did you look at the chat? What were the chat saying? Did chat
Guess
like our
what
game or
happens
no?
is you spawn somewhere. and
Ludwig
it-
was a little small brain. He clicks through Duck's tutorial. Yeah, I was watching this. Yeah, I was watching Duck's reaction to and how upset he was. He thought they hated his game. I think they hated our game too, to be honest.
Go somewhere. It's less like a Mario Kart and more like that one Mario Party minigame. And it kind of has the mechanic of the last game, to be honest.
Yeah.
But with Waz, though.
You go to Coots.
How are they not getting this?
Looked so unamused during Duck's game. Yeah,
All right, we're in.
yeah. He really loved your game though. Your game was like the best for Ludwig, I think. Ludwig's reactions to your game was just the best, right? Out of all the games. So congratulations.
60 people play?
Oh, let's go.
Your game was not the last one though, right? And I mean, it was not one of the first 4 or 5. I think it was towards the end, no?
Oh yeah, I see me.
Oh, the
Oh, yeah,
driving.
How do I
is-
move?
You have to do WASD, but it's weird. Like, you don't move like...
It's like tank controls.
Yeah, it is. You have to push forward in the direction you want.
But yeah, like seeing 59 people, 60 people are playing at the same time. This was like pretty cool, right?
Is this eliminated?
Most of them did not put their names either. It looks like.
Nation?
Yeah.
All right, get in there. Come on, team. Who are we missing? Everyone in?
I'm here.
J Gaming, who's driving,
I
is a
got
friend of yours.
eliminated.
Oh,
Nice.
sad.
I got
Kicked out of the lobby. Oh, and I also just got eliminated.
I couldn't figure out how to move, but next time.
Nobody's going to read the text.
Fall Guys. Fall Guys.
Yeah, so like, should we have just disabled the play button if you didn't put your name in? Yeah, I think it's fine though. It's not like very big of a deal. But if you like see someone who you are playing against, and this someone is someone you know, you are going to enjoy the game more than when you are just playing against randoms, which is why I think it would be much better if they hosted their own server and played against each other and against the mods, maybe.
Nice. I got baited by a viewer. Is it a time? Oh, it's a time and a person qualification. Top 8.
Let's go.
You asked for an actual text field several times. Well, you wanted me to change the UI so that, like, you need to click on this thing. It's a different thing, I think. We could still, like, just disable the play button.
Yeah, take it home.
And show, like, the red thing on top of the, like, name. Having guest tracer in the text box is enough? I don't know, maybe. Anyway, I'm not going to, like, be too upset about this. Like, you remember, I was pretty lazy implementing this game. We didn't spend too much time if we compare this to Bevy Gem, especially, right? I was just thinking, how many hours did I spend on every day on this gem? Like 4?
Like the same 2 places it keeps going.
Yeah, at some point I thought the game was pretty bad, but it turned out that we actually did win. It turned out pretty good, so it's good.
Oh, you have a little streamer award on your thing. in
Yeah.
your stream room.
Wait, what? Streamer award thing in your room? Is this... Are they talking about this thing? Which room? Which thing is the streamer award thing that Cutie just told us about?
Streamer award on your thing. in
Yeah.
your stream room.
Huh? I was happy to see you get into the top 11. Yeah. Maybe in the stream... Oh, in the stream room. Yeah. Alright. I thought... No, not in the bedroom. Okay.
Where's the coots? I can't even see. Oh, it's over here.
She didn't make it out of the stream room? Cutie? Couldn't figure out the controls, right?
How the fuck do you get there?
Oh, we're gonna
Uh-oh.
go around.
And then over here, they went the wrong direction. They didn't know that this text, the huge text in the bottom, is telling you... I mean,
No!
they were just playing the game for the first time, so they didn't know the layout of the house, which is
I
fine.
didn't understand the layout!
He was falling asleep for most of the stream, yeah.
Oh, this is a very
That's
cute
fun.
game. This is a very
Yeah.
good game. Wow. Alright, you guys want to
Do
hop
a
in another
couple more
lobby?
rounds. Yeah.
Alright, I'll back out.
Just alt F for it and then...
I guess there's only one lobby every, like... Right?
You said floating text are not readable too, I tend to ignore them. Yeah. You should, I don't know. We should just tell what Brainoid says next time. I'm sorry, Brainoid.
Like, I don't think there's
I think
multiple
there's more
lobbies
than
going?
one. I think I was in a different one that time.
But I mean, there's like some stuff that you need to learn to like play the game, and 5 minutes is not enough. But they still, like Ludwig still did a pretty good job. He almost won one of the races.
Alright, I'm ready. You guys in?
You know?
Oh, wait. No. Mine automatically put me in a new one. I didn't realize.
That's alright. I think it's
Here.
fine if we don't play together. Just play one.
Oh, I exited out. Oh, my bad.
Just gonna play.
My gosh.
Ligma. There's Ligma in the game. That's nice.
This is your
Okay,
house?
so I'll just
Is it? Is this meant to be my house?
Oh.
I'd have to see the full thing to gauge.
Yeah, it is.
The art is great.
The bedroom, our kitchen.
Yeah, the art is great. Is Rings here? Art is
Yeah.
great. How do you zoom in on things? It's called Zoom It. I don't know. Just search for this. It's like from Microsoft.
In a big car's bed. It's true.
Oh yeah, it's my stream room. Going potty with Coots.
Oh, I just noticed that there is another Ludwig. That's actually not the Ludwig.
Sometimes it takes a while for the Coots to
This
pop
one, who is the button.
You guys notice that? Like when you're driving, it doesn't have the arrow of where it is.
Yeah, if it's like kind of on your screen, it doesn't have the arrow indicating. I gotta study the layout of your house.
Ludwig went
even tell where it is based
slow,
off the thing,
very
like,
slow
yeah.
on these races, but I think that's why
Like, I just
he did
YOLO'd
so
this.
successfully,
I
like,
think it says
on these
it
first
says
races,
Luke is watching
you know,
stream on the TV. Does that mean like it's in the
because
TV?
he didn't really bounce
Maybe it's more
very
like
much.
that. Yeah, I think that signifies the position too.
So yeah, now they realize that the
Yeah, I didn't
text
see that Coots is about to start streaming.
shows you the location too.
Bugs in the bedroom.
All 1v1 for
1v1, Cyber versus Ludwig. And Ludwig
It's me and I lost!
is going to lose. Yeah.
Oh
I
my
just want-
god.
But like, okay,
I lost to
how much was this?
Cyber.
I think this was like, yeah, it's like 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes, and so far, pretty much all the time, Ludwig was just playing, right? And now
No,
there's going to be a
it's
new
a
game.
cyber.
Alright, last one. And then I'm ready to
Dude,
move on.
Guys, don't finish. Let me in. Guys.
Wait, did Cutie never actually qualified? This is the warm-up round.
This is a great multiplayer game.
Chat, do not finish. Damn it, chat.
Bugs in the
For the
bedroom.
love.
Yeah, that was a good call, Otto.
She pressed escape. Oh,
I'm taking a different route. I'm different. Oh, being different doesn't mean you're always better.
Wait, this isn't the bedroom.
Um,
Wait, this isn't the
it's your
bedroom.
house.
Ludwig.
No!
yeah. So now Ludwig has been eliminated on round 1, right? So now what happens is like Ludwig's just spectating, and what happens is obviously this game is only fun if you're winning. If you're
Very
losing,
cute
the
game.
game is stops being
Yeah,
fun.
it's cute,
So now they
fun.
stop playing the game.
It's
That's
your
what
house.
happens.
It's not. It's really not. Like, it is, but it isn't, you know?
It's your house.
That's our house.
It's our
Yeah, this
house.
is
But we
the-
knew about
this is
that.
An accurate floor plan if you
Yeah.
want to try to find the address.
Well, don't say that.
Whistling the music, nice.
Alright, go next game.
Yeah.
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 See, it has been like
Oh,
less
right.
than 10 minutes, much less than 10 minutes, and they decided to go to the next game. But I mean, just waiting for this game to finish would not take very long, and maybe on the next game he would win and maybe would appreciate the game even more. I just feel a little robbed, you know. Pretty much every other game was played for at least 10 minutes, I think, and our game was played for less. But it's fine.
Yeah, fire game.
Fire game. I still liked it, so that's fine. But then, also, one thing that I wanted to point out is I played God the least time. Well, there's no reason for yeah, I guess, okay. Yeah. There's just no reason to play the Fire Friend for more than once, right? Once you play through. Unless you want to speedrun it. I think that's what they were talking about, right? About speedrunning. Anyway, like maybe he could like go into practice to just go around the house and see all the different references to different things that we put into the art there, you know, stuff like that would have been nice. But it is still Pog, you know. We got featured on Ludwig's stream. How many people were watching this at when it was streamed? Anyone remember? I know that this video has 600,000 views, 15k viewers. Yeah, so it is like pretty big stream, which is why it I was wondering why only 69 people were playing the game at the same time. You know, it seems like a very small number for such a big stream. So let's say that I am just a viewer, right? And I want to play the game at the same time as the streamer is playing it, right? What do I do? How do I go to this, right? Donate for TTS here. AI TTS guide. Get the truffle extensions. Wait, where's the link? Oh no, it's not there. Whoops. On this video, they didn't have this in the description either. Now it is in the description. They didn't put this on the first day. This was on the second day, and this does not go to the thing immediately. This goes to the Discord. So you need to like go into Discord. You need to find this in the announcements, and then you need to download it, and then you need to like search for the game that you need. So like it's so much work for a person to try out the game that, you know, probably the only people playing were people who entered the gem. No, I think there was more. It's just like it's only people who are active on Discord, I think. It's not very easy for people to try out the games, you know. If it was like the link to the itch page of the gem, for example, it would be a much bigger number, I think. Yeah. So let's take a look. On Kuviman. Onto dashboard. I don't know, well versus you, if you're still here. How many people did play your game after the gem? Because I think that's like, it's not only about our game, right? It's about like you could more people could like know about you. Did a lot of people like come to your stream? I saw some people were coming to your stream while Ludwig was streaming when they saw your game being played, right? But I feel like you could still be more recognized. Maybe it's because people were spamming about you in chat. But yeah, let me see. Projects, Kutzmania, Kutzmania Analytics. If you look over here, this is 140 views, right? This is when the stream happened, and then after the stream happened, there was 0. And then I think over here is when they added the link to the Discord into the description of the video. All right, and if you compare this to like the gem itself, right? So like this spike is bigger than this spike, which is very weird because there was no big stream happening on the gem itself. And your analytics. Can you compare to your like old? It seems like it's the same. Here's Belvas's analytics. You can so this is like the last 2 spikes, right? So this is when the stream actually happened, and then this is like the next day or 2, and then over here there's another spike, and this is because they actually put the link not to the games themselves, but just to the Discord, I think. And for the last 90 days, see, it's the same. Your spike is bigger over here when the gem actually happened, than when the stream happened, even although the stream is supposed to be like more popular than the gem itself, right? Because this is just the gem people, and this is like all the people. You know? The initial spike is other gem people playing and your game on the new page on itch. Yes, but isn't like the new game on itch, the new page on itch still... it should be like more relevant than like because the stream is like so big, and yeah, this spike should have been much bigger. I think it's because of this issue. If you are a viewer of this like YouTube channel or of the stream, how do you play the games? You need to go to the Discord. This is already like a lot of people are going to skip, you know. And then you need to find it manually. There's no, it's not even a direct link to the, and then they have their own custom launcher, right, and stuff. People probably just watch, they don't play. Yeah, most of the people, yes, but even if like 1% of people did that, even if 0.5% of people did that, it would have been a bigger spike. So yeah, and let's now compare this to the other jam that I participated in, which is the Bevy jam that we also win. I told you, Welvas, that I'm going to win the other jam. You remember that? So we actually did win another jam, which is the Bevy jam. I tried a new engine for the first time, and we made a game called Linksider, and we also did win this game. Let's just address the issue that I was just talking about. If we go to analytics, if we go to dashboard, like, of everything that was happening, see? So this is the last 90 days. This is Kutzmania when the jam was happening. This is Linksider when the jam was happening, and this is Linksider when the jam results are out. And this little spike is Ludwig's stream, you know. This thing over here, this is Ludwig's stream. It just feels like it's nothing, you know. All right. So if you guys didn't play Linksider, you should. Who's Ludwig? This is ROP. Well, I mean, yeah. So yeah, it's like completely opposite thing, right? You know, Ludwig jam and the Bevy jam. I expected much more from Ludwig jam, and I expected much less from the Bevy jam. You know, it's like they're complete opposites. I wasn't even like trying to make a game that's going to win the Bevy jam, but we did win. I did try to make something that like would end up on Ludwig's stream during the Ludwig jam. It's like the way I tried doing the games is also completely opposite. I'm just too good at game dev. I don't know. Peak moment of Davy's career. They almost played Davy's game too. Yeah, they should have played this instead of the other Super Otakuts. They played the terrible one. I don't know if it's terrible. It's just like they were also saying that it's like too big of a learning curve, and I did not take the learning curve to learn how the game plays. The view count one was so confusing. Yeah, it was. All right. Yeah. So Bevy jam. Bevy jam is here. So these are the results. Linksider #1 by Kuviman, Davy, Shadow Crushers. I also thought that like Battle for Retoria was going to be like potentially #1. I did not expect this game, Neon Breach, to be this high, to be honest, but it's fine. This thing I think should have been higher, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. I was also surprised to see they played 2 to begin with. Forest one was good, the other one not a fan of. Yeah, exactly. True. I am happy though, if we want to go back. I am happy for the for the Uber Cat Overdrive. It was my favorite game from the jam. I am happy that they golden ticketed it. So congratulations to is the developer of that one. The one where you launch into space and destroy the moon. Did Welvas play your game, Davey? Oh no, you didn't play it. Oh, wait, Welvas, were you playing a lot of games on stream? I don't remember. I remember Duck was playing games and Risey. No, I didn't see you play Kutzmania, I think. Did I? Did I? Shit, I don't remember. It was so long ago. 2 months. Alright, Link Cider. So we won. We won this. Right. So this is Pog. If you didn't play this game, you should. It is kind of long though. Takes about an hour to complete it. We got a bunch of nice feedback here. Best game by Davies here. Yeah. I don't know. Do you think it's my best game either? Oh, which game is better? Kutzmania or Link Cider? Link Cider? I think Kutzmania can be a better game though. It's like we just put more effort into this, I think. It's more polished. Okay, what else is there to talk about Link Cider? So for the Link Cider, I did the post-mortem, right? The devlog, it's over here. This thing has also been appreciated by people, by the Rust people, I guess. We got some good feedback here. I posted this on Reddit. Was this on Reddit? And then somebody else also posted this on the actual Rust Reddit. So yeah, this kind of like explains the spikes that we're having right now. It's just like the Rust community, you know? It's pretty active. Bad Cop, when you were streaming your Rust streams lately, did you notice this? How active the Rust community is? Getting more views with Rust? Yeah, see, it's like just use Rust and that's how you succeed. Yeah, I told you should do Rust, not Bash. So like that on the cover image of this time-lapse video, we have the crab from your game, which is literally like generated automatically by YouTube, this cover image. I did not select this. Every other thing is like just me developing the game, and then the cover image was selected to be this from this one moment when we played Bad Cops game. Alright. I'm not sure what else is there to talk about. Bevy Jam is just nice. We won. Oh, I guess we did win the prizes though, right? So I was told that I should contact Cart, who is the creator of the Bevy engine. Let me do this right now, and I'll still remember. Hello. I was told to DM you about the prizes. Bevy Jam, right? That's what I say. Put a smiley face. All right. Okay. So yeah, I feel like the Bevy Gem is more Pog than the Ludwig Gem for some reason, and I expect it to be the other way around, but that's what it is. So we were doing Bevy Gem. Why we were doing Bevy Gem? Because we were trying to like figure out how to stop writing spaghetti and actually organize our code. So Nerdsel over here was doing another experiment, right? I don't think we actually show it too much, but oh, before that also I was on vacation, right? But I was not only chilling and like doing stuff. I actually are we doing LD Jam? Yes, we are. We're going to talk about it a little later too. But first, I was on vacation and I was working on the engine a little bit. Here you go. Let's see this. I have created this pull request that I did not merge yet. Restructure code into smaller crates. I have refactored my engine a little bit. I made it into smaller crates, fixed all the warnings. Some of the warnings were like just suppressed. Changed a little bit of API. Let me see. It's like just a little small refactor, you know, like just a couple thousand lines, nothing big. Spaghetti jam. Oh, we should do a spaghetti jam. That's right. People were talking that that I should like host my own jam before I left for the vacation. We should not do a Geng jam. We should not do a coolie man jam. We should do a spaghetti jam. That's right. That's right. Anyway, so that's what I did. Now I'm going to merge this, and I should probably also like push to crates. Although I am using the engine from the Git directly anyway, so I don't know if there's any. I guess the if I push this to crates, then I would have documentation on docs rs, right, which is like nice. Because if you go to the Geng right now, it's like the old version, right? All right. Can you let me update my stuff before you push? Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay, so I guess you are going to update to the current main branch of Geng, right? And once you confirm that everything is fine, then we can actually publish to crates.io, and you can fix the versioning this way. All right. Okay. What exactly I did there? It's almost nothing, but like it was like the pull request said, I just split the code into multiple smaller crates, so hopefully it's like easier to navigate the code now for me. And if you want to do something, do some pull requests, it's like easier for you too, I guess. Did you check it out, Nerdsol, though? All right, and then also I did update my farting game with to this new thing, but the build is not happening. That is because it was not on the main branch. So if I just rerun this, then it's going to be fine, I think. So yeah, this game is updated to the new engine code, and also I have updated another game of mine Do you guys know what game am I talking about? I'm talking about the extremely extreme sports. Any one of you remember this game? So this was made for Ludum Dare 50, which happened exactly 1 year ago. It is extremely extreme sports birthday. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, we have the booms because of that, and okay, so here's what happened. Like we scored top 3 in fun for the Ludum Dare with this game, but then I went ahead and I updated the game, and it's actually I have made the game worse by updating it. The sound is not working here also and stuff. So like the thing that I did is that when you crash, you now you can walk around, and this is very bad mechanic. You like the lag on the start a lot. What do you mean the lag on the start? Huh? Boom. Yeah, that was the first comment on the LD page. Anyway, so I updated this. There's also like I also added the parachuting mechanic, so when you like lose, you can still respawn instead of like waiting for other people, you know. So I updated the code to the latest engine version, and I need to just rebuild it now, I think. So what if I go here and rerun all the jobs? How do I rerun? Rerun. I dropped a frame. I dropped 0 frames. What do you mean? What do you mean? Okay, hopefully it works. I can go to projects, extremely extreme sports. Dropped in-game frames. Oh, did I? Okay, so here's what I did. I changed a little bit the world generation, and I removed. Okay, here's the game, right? If you didn't see it yet, you just do downhill skiing, pressing left and right. So now if you crash, what I did is you go ahead and you continue walking. You continue like riding automatically. You don't need to press anything, and then you have a certain period of invincibility, which like makes you not infinitely just crash. We should try it out if it's better or not than like the original, because in the original you just have 1 life. If you hit the obstacle like this, you're just going to like basically go to the beginning or like wait for other people. Should try playing the game once the build is ready. Yeah, I also changed a little bit of the generation so that the track is like more narrow. It still did not revert it to like just a vertical track like it was on the gem. I think that's fine. So the minimap is one of the additions that I think is good. It shows you where the avalanche is and everything. Boom, 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 boom. Right, so while we wait for this build to happen, this was wait for LD, right? And the next LD is happening when? It is happening in 3 days and 10 hours and 36 minutes. You guys going to participate in this one? This is one of the biggest jams. Like it and hi. Hello, hello. The game I was just showing is one of my games from Ludum 50. Yeah, if I go to my profile, there is this Extremely Extreme Sports. This thing. Here's the trailer.
Joining the game, type in your name, put in your bikini or whatever else is on sale. Blow up the mountain, now right away. Avalanche coming, you may only pray. Dodge all the trees or you will lose your skills. Key to all this is to practice your skills. Multiplayer skill free? No, 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 no. Yet you're not here, leave my game alone. This is extremely extreme sport. Players with extremely high scores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 extremely fun emos. This is extremely extreme sports.
Yeah, this game was created like 1 year ago, which means that it's like its birthday. Wrong game out. Are we gonna get balls a theme? I don't know. I don't think a lot of people are going to vote for the balls theme. We'll see. Is it planned birthday 2 then? Yes, I think the planned was for LD52. Planned. There it is. Happy birthday. All right. Yeah, the Extreme Sports was one of my like best gem games, I guess. According to the scores, number 3 on LD. Very high. Okay, so you just saw my post on Reddit. Nice. Did you read it? What do you think about it? We covered the Bevy gem already. We're happy with Bevy gem results, and right now we are talking about the next gem that is going to happen in 3 days, which is the Ludum. I'm going to use Rust, obviously, but I'm not going to use Bevy for this one. Probably something like the Extreme Sports. Okay, here's the question. We already decided that Linksider was better than Kutzmania. Now, here's another question. Is Linksider better than Extremely Extreme Sports? Is it? Oh shit, the build didn't happen. No. What? I need to install something. You could not find directory for OpenSSL installation? Shit. Linksider better polish-wise for sure. I was going to reply there, but figured not having used Bevy or even ECS, my view, but gut feeling was Bevy would have been overkill for the kind of game you were making. I mean, it's an engine. What do you mean an overkill? What should I have been using? Like, if I didn't have my own engine, what would I use if not Bevy? We all know your best game is your friends. If not Bevy, what would I use? I mean, it's like saying that Unity is overkill, but like, what do people use when they just learn game development for the first time? They're going to be using Unity, right? But Unity is overkill? Is that what you're saying? They should instead write everything from scratch? Nah. Hold on, how do I fix this? Let me go code. I use Scratch. Scratch might actually not be a a bad option. That's it if you're like learning programming for the first time. But some people like they know programming, but they never tried game development, right? So what do they start with? I feel like starting with something like Love 2D, for example, or Pygame. I don't know. Macro Quad, if we're talking Rust, is better than starting with Bevy because of that issues. Because of these issues. Of I don't know. Is ECS used anywhere? Except for game development. GitHub workflows. Oh wait, I can just like upload it manually, right? Can I? I'm not sure. Because I need to like build the Linux build too. It's because of this, the Kuviman Geng. Okay, the web build did build successfully. It's just like the native build did not build because of OpenSSL. What do you mean? Who even wants that? It says ideas come from databases, right? Yeah, I feel like, yeah, exactly. But ECS feels like a downgraded database, right? But it's a different thing, though. You don't really code. The ECS way when you're dealing with databases, right? You don't put your logic in SQL, right? Do you? ECS is one big table. Yeah. ECS is one big table, so it's like not even multiple tables, right? What we want is maybe like multiple tables there and have them described better to have more guarantees. The boss, yes, is stopping me from using other Rust features. Yes. Like ownership, for example. It's dynamic. It's like writing Python. Because your entity can be anything with any fields, you know? Here's what ECS is. You write a Python, right? So like you say entity1 is this. Python or like JavaScript, you say like position is 1, 2, you know? And then you say velocity 3, 4, you know? And this is not typed. That's what you do in ECS. It's like Python or JavaScript. Doesn't feel like Rust at all. You can try seeing what other people said in the Reddit. Also, I feel like people have basically. I didn't see anyone who said that they didn't agree with my takes there. It's just like a trade-off that some people are okay with, and your goals are different. But what I'm doing is just 3 major hard-coded entity types with some specialization for each through data and a catch-all DIN plugin. Used for a small number of them. It's neither OPP or ECS. yeah, yeah, for the games that I make, it would make sense to just have multiple hard-coded entity types because there's not too many of them, right? And that's what our like experiment is about. So one of the things with ECS though is the, have I seen this one before? Yes, I did. I didn't try it though. I didn't try it though. If you want, maybe it's your turn to try a new engine, Bad Cop. So you do Firex for LD, right? No, I don't think it's a good idea for LD. Maybe you try this engine and you tell me, because it's more like the traditional approach. Maybe since you are familiar with Godot specifically, it's going to be like for spaghetti jam. You do have a jam coming up? Which one? Anyway, here's the thing that we were, I mean, it was mostly NerdCell who was writing code here, right? But we were thinking about this together a little bit. Let's take a look at the example. Let's take a look at the example. It's like you specify your entity as like a static kind of entity, right? But then you can query it like in Bevy ECS. Even although it is like all statically defined. It's like in the Bevy ECS, it's like they have this thing that they call archetypes, right? Which is the entities that have the same set of components. And this thing is like dynamically calculated for it to be like more performant. But what we do here instead is we make our archetypes static. And that is a short explanation of what we're trying to do with our little experiment here. Join it if I dare. No, I don't think I'm going to join another gem. What is this though? Welcome all game devs from beginners to professionals. Take part in the 3rd annual Fireside Jam. Game dev Fireside community. I don't know that community. Team to be announced. Nothing. Alright, so just a regular gem. What is this gem about? Is it just like by your friends or by a YouTube channel? Halper Weasley, like by a YouTuber, right? You did it last year and you won? Okay, so you want me to take to take away your championship, right? Think you can 1v1 me? Can I not? Wait, hold on. Let me fix the extreme sports. Hold on. Open SSL. Why do I even have this? Open SSL cargo lock. Because of native TLS. I need to install something on the Linux, right? For this thing to compile. What do I need to install? Over here, I've just been working through getting my Rust engine into iOS. Went okay, but I need to find a nice workflow. Well, of course, don't let you cross compile outside their OS. Yeah. I didn't even try that yet. But we're going to try that soon, I guess. I think we will port our Lynx hider to mobile. Maybe. You do need a Mac, though, to do an iOS build, I guess. And I don't have one. Davey, do you have a Mac? Godot versus Rust, winner takes all. Are you saying that I am going to use Godot and you are going to use Firefox and Rust? Cross compile the library. Yeah. You just cannot like interface with the framework, right? But the generic code you can cross compile easily. And then we'll both lose. No, I don't think we're. I think it's going to be LD for me, the Ludum, and then I'm going to take a, like I need to continue working on the farting game. Maybe we work on the link cider, right? Maybe something else comes up. There's a lot to do for me, so I think I'm not going to take another gem. Maybe GMTK, and the next LD is going to be it. It has been too much gems. In the last year, it has been like at least 10 gems for me, right? That's like too much, maybe? Where I had a moment of rust doubt is if you were leading on iOS, you'd have an easier time using C++ in their IDE, but my goals are broader. Rust for games. I don't know. I think Rust has been proved for games at this point. No? There's a lot of work that should happen if you want to like build big games like AAA games in Rust. But like at least some small parts are already proved that they can be done in Rust. Is there like a package that's called OpenSSL on the Debian that I need to install or something? I didn't even need a Docker, right? What about the farting game? Did this thing build successfully? This thing did build successfully. All right. Maybe I just like migrate the actions from here. There's like an easier way. What is the difference? Let's see. No, it's still the same. Huh. Wait, what? Why did it not work then? It literally is the same. Is there any other... Oh, or the request. That's why. Because I have another dependency here. And this is what makes me fail. I cannot compile a request because it's trying to use the OpenSSL and it's not installed, right? By default, client will make use of the system native transport layer security to connect to HTTPS destinations. This means that channels, secure channels on Windows security framework, or S-channel security framework, and OpenSSL on Linux. Vanishes console support. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Are you an actual... Are you... working as a game dev. I never tried doing anything for consoles. I'm not too interested in console. I don't play my games on consoles, you know. I'm a PC guy. I tried building a Java app for Android once. That's all I have with mobile. And even then, I just used no. I did make a small game in Java using LWJGL. So yeah. I never tried iOS though. Only Android. What do? I do TLS then, right? I feel like Rust TLS is fine. Should I disable the default TLS then? Anyone knows? Anyone use this? Another option is just to install OpenSSL, I guess. But it's better if I don't have this as a dependency, right? I can vendor OpenSSL with cargo. Do they say something about this here? Like, how do I? Like, I'm just trying to compile my server inside Docker, right? Did you have the same issue like on your stuff? Oh, features vendored. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. But you could also just install it in Docker, right? When it does this, it's like it also statically compiles it into the binary, right? So you don't have the dependency in the binary itself, right? Is that how it works? Is there a link to like an issue? Where did you get this from? And also this, I should not be using this on Windows though, right? So is OpenSSL even going to be compiled on Windows for me? I don't think it's going to be compiled. I didn't even download it, right? Because on Windows we don't do OpenSSL. Is it going to build? I mean, since it's vendor, it's probably going to. No. See, it's not working for me on Windows then. This Perl version, thread main panicked, error configuring, process didn't end, OpenSSL no vendor unset. Windows supports OpenSSL, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, but I need to install it then, right? Because I don't have it installed. Did you work on Windows when you were developing this? You only use Linux? All right. Well, Yeah, I think we just do Rust TLS and default features false. Then right, use Rust TLS for request. You tried this too? Did it not work? The Rust TLS? Why did it? Is there any issue with this? Got a dependency conflict with something else? Interesting. You were using Axum, right? I never used Axum. I only used the Actix web. But they are kind of similar from as their API, I think. Pretty similar. Okay, well, it works. It builds for me. And it runs, right? So let's try pushing this and see if it builds. JSON Web Token library that uses an out-of-date dependency. Yeah, maybe, yeah. And they don't support Rust TLS, right? They can only use the SSL, the OpenSSL. No, this has nothing to do with the requests at all. You just picked it back, great. The ring dependency is out of date. Ring is just a crypto library. What does it has to do with the I don't know, why would this break anything? This is not too old, it's like 2 months ago was the last commit. You don't know, Cargo was angry. Well, I don't know. Okay, anyway, we're going to wait for this thing to be built again, right? Hopefully it builds this time. Did you vote for the LD theme? Theme slaughter? Deep inside. Do you want the deep inside or no? There's so many to slaughter. You want it? You like the deep inside? Isn't it like deeper and deeper? You remember the deeper and deeper theme that was there? You have this really cool theme idea? Well, it's too late. Suggesting themes was like... What if you are the bad guy? What do you mean? You are the enemy. Is this like one of the themes that was there? Okay, deep inside. The problem is there was LD. I mean, it's not... How long ago was this? This was 2 years ago. LD48. Deeper and deeper was the theme for this one. And for this one, we made the... The Dig World. This is my first, like, kind of successful MMO for the Game Jam. This was pretty pog. It's like Minecraft. Oh shit, wait, what? I found a bug. Wait, what? There was no bugs in this game, what? Alright. Okay, the web build is done. Now we need to see if the native build is going to happen. I think it should. Everything will be fine. Okay, so I think because I remember this theme, I'm going to say no. Draw the line. Wait, so what kind of game do we want to make this time? What do you guys think about what you're going to make before LD actually happens? Like, I wanted to do a 40 and before LD 50. Never. You're lazy. You don't look at the 10 themes that are left there like before the last day and try to come up with game ideas for all the 10 different outcomes of people's votes. You will get your hopes up. All right, draw the line. I'm not sure what is draw the line. Doesn't seem like I can do a ball juggling game with this. No. Anymore? No. Clean up. Okay. Optional objectives. Wait, optional objectives while you are juggling your balls? I don't know. Potentially. Usually brainstorm after the theme announcement. Yeah. Sometimes we did like try to come up with a game that like is going to be okay with all the themes that are there in the final round. From the Dead. Everything at once. Oh, this is the ball juggling game. This is, I'm going to say yes. Excessive number of balls. Zero gravity juggling. Potentially. Fire and water, no. Looped. Oh, there was a stuck in a loop. Usually brainstorm on the second day when I decide to throw away the initial idea. Yeah. Looped. There was another theme that was stuck in a loop. T. Huh? Save the world in 5 minutes. Wait, what if you like need to juggle balls for 5 minutes and then the world is saved? Not sure though. No. Inverted. Can you do inverted juggling? Not sure. Rolling. I don't know. Here it goes. This theme sucks. I'm not gonna do LD. Yeah, it's always like that. I think it's going to compile. Already compiling the engine. Rolling. You roll and juggle at the same time. So like getting farted on, but with juggling. Not sure. Out of the ashes. Remove. Think twice. This was unexpected. I don't know. Do you guys like any of those themes? Wait, can I go back into all of my themes? It only shows me 10 last themes. Getting juggled with. Only there was one more time. Wrong usage. So we'll make a game where you juggle something that you're not supposed to juggle. And it's going to, that's why we do the wrong usage, right? I just don't want to make something like the problem with the. I don't want to think too much this time, you know. I just want to have fun, mostly just playing the games this LD. I don't care too much about making the game. So I want to make something like really simple, which is why I'm thinking about juggling the balls. The game. Are you supposed to juggle balls? Yeah. Unusual fuel. A zero sum. RTS. RTS for a game jam. Yeah, let's do that. Gambling. Disappear. Game tricks the player. Nah. Hot and cold. Do you guys have any updates on your projects, by the way, while I was gone? Do you guys have anything to show? Don't go outside. I want. Character. Huh? Made a cool thing for the roller cubes. Oh wait, hold on. We will. Let me see first if the so the Extreme Sport is going to be published on the H page. Now it's published, and now it's going to restart the server. The server is going to be updated right now. Where's my high scores though? Not here. Is it here? High scores. Okay, we move high scores JSON into high scores season 2, which was very long. All right, you guys want to try this out? Let's see if the game is still fun or not. Hopefully it works. How long is it going to take H to load the game? How big is the zip? Is it because of the zip file size? Build. Can I see the artifacts here, right? I mean, the GitHub pages is like just 6.3 megabytes. It should be pretty small. I don't know, it just takes a while for some reason for each sometimes. Oh no, it failed to connect. Alright, why did it fail to connect though? Where did we try to connect? WebSocket at extremesportscool.com. So what if I do curl? Hold on. At schoolman.com. This thing exists. Definitely a DNS issue? No, it's not. So if I try WebSocket there, right? That's how you use it? Received unexpected status code 502. Alright. Why? Service failed. Let's see, we crashed. Missing value maximum speed time. Wait, is the configuration file not being sent automatically? Really? It's been a while since I updated this, you know? So it makes sense. Maximum speed time. Yeah, see, this thing is here, but they don't see it in the configuration. Why? Because, yeah, I'm using the different configuration here or something. System control user cat. Yes. There's config JSON here. This thing. I need to remove config JSON, I think, and move extreme sports. No, I use the custom configuration file, which is not like the default one. That's why. I think I just reset it to use the default one. So I need to modify the systemd service. Yeah, it was also like the seed was always the same. So yeah, I see. It was running using a fixed seed and like non-default configuration file. So if I do this now I am actually connected, see? Something happened. Leaderboard is empty because I wiped it. Alright. No one wants to join and see if the game still works. Okay, I'll do one solo. Fine. Somebody joined, I saw you. You're eating? It's Extremely Extreme Sports' birthday though. How can you be eating at this time? Alright. Just bad cop. Nice. Let's see. Alright, let's wait. So that's the thing that we added now. Now you don't like just die instantly, you respawn automatically and you can continue. Is that better than it was before? Oh, that bug is still there when you die multiple times. That's fine though. Oops. I need to check out how the spectator works because now you only die when the avalanche gets you, and then you are going into the spectator. Yeah, I think that's fine. Good job, Bad Cop. That's a win for you. We have Davey, Mickey, Bad Cop, Icy. Wait, who is there? Who is number one right now? Oh, it's Icy. Icy is good. But I'm better. Okay, I will crash on purpose, you know. So the problem is, just like in Kutzmania, right? When you lose, you just go. It still says space to respawn. Yeah, I guess we need to like fix this thing, right? But the reason there was this like press space to respawn is because when you are just in spectator mode, you want to like stop spectating and you want to play, right? Which is why we added the respawning and all this stuff. But this is still better, right? I think I changed the speed of the avalanche also, so that one round doesn't really last longer than like 1 minute, or maybe a little more than that, if you are really good at the game. Oh, Icy uses mouse to play the game. Do you guys know that? You can use mouse and then you can... Did you see we're getting a Sandis LD? Wait, really? What about a booster or something, so I feel like a chance to escape the avalanche a bit longer? Maybe. I just made basically the revert of some of the features that we added last time, because the features that we added last time made the game less fun. I'm just wondering, is this fun right now? Which game is better This or Kutzmania? This? Is this better than Link Cider? That? What do you mean that? This? Give Link Cider co-op? Like online co-op? I don't know. This is more fun, Link Cider is pure. Yeah, I know that there is a group of people who are still playing this game after a year. Right? Portal 2 style co-op? Portal 2 is, yeah. It feels like for Link Cider it would be like forced multiplayer though. Which is weird. No, I don't think Link Cider should be multiplayer. I don't see the reason though. Link Cider is already good, so multiplayer is not going to add anything to it, no? How is it different from just you? Because like it's a turn-based thing, right? So even if it is multiplayer, you're still you just still play it alone, kind of. You can release Link Cider as is with a bit more polish, but gameplay is already fine. Yeah, I mean, there are some things that I don't like in Link Cider, like the mechanics. They're not obvious sometimes because we were experimenting with stuff. Just add custom map editors so player makes levels for other players. Rewrite it in Godot. Nah. Let's take a look at the leaderboard. Wait, Icy got to 75? Alright, let's beat Icy. We need to beat Icy. Let's go. Oh, somebody crashed in the very beginning. Icy crashed in the very beginning. That's good. I'm beating Icy for sure. Oh shit. Maybe not this time. How was my vacation? It was nice. I guess I didn't really talk about the vacation too much. I can show you a couple of photos if you want. It was nice. It was very productive. You know, I worked on my engine. We did win the Ludwig gem during my vacation. We did win the Bevy gem during the vacation. You know, everything happened during the vacation. Where did I go? I went to some mountains, still in Russia. Didn't go to the other. You want Bevy too? Yeah, I posted in my Discord. I guess you have it muted, right? Yeah, we did take #1 Bevy gem, and like I was saying that Ludwig gem we won it, right? And it was shown on the huge stream, but the outcome is like Do I even fix this bug or do I keep this? Because it's funny. Should have kept the Bevy Gem number 3 winner? Nah. So, when we won, since you missed it, when we won the Ludwig Gem, it's just like, okay, now we get the money, right? But the analytics on the itch, they show that basically no one came to check out the game, but the link cider is actually blowing up, you know. So this game, the extreme sports, let's compare. Let's compare. There is the extreme sports also, right? Because you think this game is better. This was my best game in terms of like number of playthroughs. It is 1700 browser plays, but this game was released 1 year ago, right? And then for the Bevy Gem, it is almost the same number, but it was just like less than a month ago, you know? You guys all winning gems, what the heck? I don't know, RNG, or maybe it's because we're doing, like, when you do something for a long time, you're going to be better at it. Maybe that's how it works, you know? What was my Bevy Gem game? The Link Cider. This one, the number 1. We made this game. Didn't know, sorry. No problem. And do a quick speed run of it. New record, Bog? By who? By you? I do more gems and team up with an artist? Just do it. I don't know. I feel like at this point I want to stop doing gems though, right? Because we have this game, we have the farting game, and I want to work on those. If I do more gems, then like there is no time to work on those then, right? Ah, fuck. Playing cider needs an undo. It's not really like what other puzzle games are there that have the undo? Like Sokoban, but it's not really Sokoban though. The game's like, I don't know. I don't even know what other game is like this. I'm wondering, how do you do undo in Bevy though? Can I just like have a copy of the entire world? Is that what I want to do? Just a copy? I'm not sure if copy is possible though. Not everything is copyable. In theory. You love that level? This level? The previous level? The copy of the entire world could have unintended consequences. Yeah, because like in the world you have not everything is like it's not only the logic that you store in the world, right? It's also all the graphics components, so it means that you're going to copy all the sprites, all the everything. That's not what we want to do, right? We only want to copy the logic. And like, is there in Bevy to like split my game into like the logic part and the rendering part? I don't know. If we continue working in Bevy, then we need to figure out a lot of stuff. Some people have given good feedback on the blog post that I wrote. The rendering part is already in this. Okay, well, there is the rendering part that is like Bevy's own rendering part, right? And then there is like the, I guess the rendering model that. So like the sprite component itself, it's not the thing that does the rendering, but that I have in my world, not in the separate Bevy's rendering world, right? So like I need to kind of like split my own world into two worlds like this, right? Can I make my own worlds? Yeah, I can. I did see something about like Bevy sub apps. Maybe that's how you do it. There is multiple worlds and sub apps, but I didn't like really look into it much. We're going to look at it like after when we get back to the game though. The next thing that is going to happen is the LD, which is happening in 3 days. And before LD happens, I need to probably work on my bot. So all these little avatars, the Raffle Royale, is what I'm going to do before LD. Sub-apps are a bit more advanced than in just a new world. So there is a world that is just like a turn-based world, right? Where one tick is just one move, right? There's this world, and then there's another world which is for us to show the animation of our turn-based game in between the turns. So I don't want like this animation, right? I only want the logic part. You can literally just spawn a new world, store it in a resource, and run it in a normal system. Yeah, there is a lot of possibilities, I guess. It's just there is like so much that we're getting lost. How exactly to do one thing or the other thing. This is starting to talk more, or like we're talking about schedules. Maybe schedules, I don't know. But also the worlds need to be separated in order for us to copy them, right? To clone. Davey log. I think Davey can just publish his thing on the page of the game too. You have the we have the this dev log. So this is mine. I tried Bevy for the first time for Game Jam. And Davey can just do another blog post just here if you want. Where? Here. Yeah, there. Over here, if you didn't see it. So yeah, we were talking about like schedules, right? So this is as part of this post, I told that my turn-based this thing is like is done using Bevy states, and then this should be done using custom schedules instead. That's how we can do the turn-based. So it should be a custom schedule that we would run manually somehow. That was our thinking, and then somebody in the comments actually told me that this is exactly what we would like to do. We just didn't end up figuring out how to do this exactly. Astromare. Hello. LDR, the world is container for data. Schedule is the container for system order information. Yeah, I know. And then when you combine world and schedule, you get the app, which is why I am assuming that we need to get the sub app, because we want to split both the data and the systems, you know, right? Have I brought up my discoverability concerns through any official channels? Nah, not really. I was busy making the game, so like I didn't really try to solve the issues using help from the community much, you know. I feel like it would take a lot of time, so this game looks cool. Well done. Well, thank you. We made it for the Bevy Jam. You can play it over here. Meant more just a feedback now that it's over. Well, I have posted the blog post. I assume that somebody is going to comment on the parts that they know. Did you see the blog post? You have just played? Seen the Reddit post? Nice. Did you play through? How much time did it take you to play through? This is the last level. Many juicers in chat. Hello, Cage. How are you doing? We have big news stream today. We won multiple gems in a row. We won Ludwig gem and we won Bevy gem, and then it's going to be another win in just 3 days, which is going to be the LD. What did I win? I won this game was made for Bevy gem over here. You see this? Number 1. Alright, and then the other game, if you guys want, we can play together because the other one is multiplayer. Time to make a YouTube video how I won 2 game jams at the same time. Yeah. How I made 1 2 game jams at the same time as I was just chilling without internet, right? That's the fool. Was there a prize or just recognition? For this one, I think for this gem, the prizes are 2 items from the Bevy merch store. So expect me advertising Bevy with some merch on stream soon, I guess. And then the other gem that we won was the Coots Mania. You guys want to play the game together? Because this one is multiplayer. If you have a second monitor or something. I actually did win. Yeah, and for this gem, this gem has actually prizes of $20,000 split among the top 10 entries. And I think we win like 2,000 of that. Yep. We are featured in Ludwig's video. Yes. Okay. So this game is like multiplayer though, right? Right now we have 3 spectators, right? Some of you guys. Did we place top 5? No, we didn't place top 5, we placed top 11 though. Top 10. But basically we did get into prizes. Not the top 5 though. So once this game is over, it's like this is like a battle royale kind of, what is it, like Fall Guys style game. Half of the players get eliminated every round until one winner is decided. That's how the game works. So be ready to play. The controls are arrow keys. It's like 10 controls for going around the house. You need to go to Kutz, which is the cat of Ludwig. And the location is shown on the edge of the screen if it's outside of the screen. Okay, so now that the champion has been determined, these are just bots, right? But now it's going to be 4 people and 4 bots. We see Nerdsoul Mickey is here. Somebody is not playing. Okay, well, the timer is going to run out. So now only 6 players are left. Half going to be eliminated. Let's see if Nerdsoul is going to win me in this game. I don't think he will. Nerdsoul, you lost to a bot. I mean, you're still in, but there was one bot that went to the goal faster than you. Okay, this is the final round. Me versus Nerdsoul. Nerdsoul, I'm sorry, you have no chance. Alright, fine. You have a chance. Rigged. Wait, it's nobody's going to win right now. Where you need to go to the. Nobody won. Well, this is rigged now, for sure. All right, 5 people. Okay, fine. I will play. Kappa. Well, fine. Are you going to win though? Pay attention to the text. It said that Kutz is in the bedroom, and this is the bedroom. That's how you know where to go. Wait, this is your first time playing? Nice. Why did you say that this that Extreme Sports is better than this though then? If you never even tried it. I think this game is like potentially better than the Extreme Sports. It's just like the Battle Royale mechanic is a little weird. You are waiting longer than in the Extreme Sports. Good night, Arya. It's like Fall Guys. Yeah, but in Fall Guys, when you lose, you don't need to wait for everything to end, right? You can hop into a new game immediately, right? But we don't have enough players, so you need to wait for this game to finish, and then. So like, if you are not very good at the game, it means that you're going to be in spectator mode all the time. So let me try go into spectator mode. So yeah, see, Pluto here is playing for the first time, right? And didn't make it in time. Definitely not your game. Yeah, see, Mickey is also not very good with the controls. It's not very easy to control your car here. But there is the practice mode here, where you can just like go around with no time restriction. I actually like this. Just can play on your own, try to master the slides. The Nerdsel's champion. Good job. Okay, let me win one more time. I'm just too good at this. I played this for too long. See how bad these bots are, and people are still losing to them. The reason I like this more than the Extreme Sports is that like you have the freedom of movement, you know? In Extreme Sports you just like go down. But in this one you can see other players like go in different directions, you know? It doesn't make sense in Extreme Sports to go up the mountain, right? But in this game you can go in any direction you want. So what if there was like one big game world where you just like do whatever you want, you know? Like Need for Speed Online. I think that's what they do, right? You just like you can see other players like playing at the same time in the city, and then sometimes you like, if you add player interaction, this game will be POG. I think even without the player interaction, it's just I don't know. No, I don't think player interaction is. I mean, Trackmania is POG, right? Trackmania does not have player interaction. Throw a bomb at Kuvi. Anyway, I don't think we're like, all right. Anyway, I don't know if we continue working on this. Like, when do we do this? Because I want to work on other games, like the farting one and the Link Cider probably is going to be the one that we are going to continue working on. Or throw all on the floor, someone slides. Yeah, that was an idea that we had at some point. It's just doing these player interactions is going to make the game dependent on ping a lot, and right now it's not very depending on ping, which means that like it doesn't matter if we are very far away from each other, basically, you know? The game is still playable with high ping. And with actually physical interactions, it's more important to have low ping. High ping, like high ping? Yeah. Alright. We were also playing the extreme sports earlier. Did you see this one? This one was made a year ago, and we just updated it today. It's like the same, but different. It's just not a battle royale. Just like little races against each other. Downhill. Anything else I wanted to do today? I think I kind of like did everything I wanted to. Photo, relaxing. You like just skiing down in this game, relaxing? Cosmetic's good. Yeah, but like in Kuts menu, you can go into practice mode and you can just relax then too, right? A scary Yeti would come out and chase you. Yeah, yeah. There is a Yeti in this one for sure. Bumping into stuff feels not very relaxing, but you are bumping into stuff here too, no? Do I just like remove all the trees and it's going to be more relaxing then? For you. Am I the Yeti? Because it don't seem that scary. That was the Yeti. Was that scary? Alright, 3 days until LD. Alright. Guys want, I can show you photos from the vacation. Ooh, how do I hold on, let me just make a folder. And to download everything into a folder. Basically, after the Bevy gem was finished, I went on to Had a little vacation. I'm doing Ludum. I am going to do Ludum. That's like happening in 3 days, right? Today we just talk about other stuff that happened, which was the vacation. And during the vacation we won a couple game jams. That's what we are talking about here today. Show vacation. All right, it is over here. Congrats on the Ludwig results too. Yeah, thank you. Let's just go and see some mountains. So here's some photos. You guys want to see them? Just a little bit. That's a mountain, and that's a waterfall, and that's some food. Did I see a Yeti? Yeah. I also see a plane. Where is this? This is in Russia. I'm Russian. There was also a sea, by the way, not only mountains. Sea was also there. It was pretty cold though. Sea and mountains, yeah. There are also like these like snowy mountains in the background. We didn't go there though. Water, grass, mountains. What is that? Outside world? Yeah, exactly. But he couldn't swim yet. Yeah. Am I exposing Mickey? Yeah, this is Mickey. And this is one of the breakfasts that we had. We rented like a house on the river in the middle of the mountains. Is this made in Unreal? Yeah. Unreal Engine 5. Look what it can do. I think that's all the photos that I had. That's Geng. Yeah, this Geng. Sure. Alright. Did I show you all the pictures? I think I show you all the pictures. Here's one more. Here's a selfie. Alright. That was my vacation. I like the ruins in the background. Yeah, it was like the abandoned village or something on the top of the mountain. You don't see like, this is like on top of a mountain, basically. The ruins. Okay, how many of you are going, given the current event, are you afraid of staying in Russia? Yeah, I mean, kind of get used to it, you know? There are scarier places in the world, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, it's not very good times right now. Anyway, any one of you are going to like participate in LD? That's what we're going to do in 3 days. So we did the Bevy jam recently. I'm not going to do Bevy this time. I'm using Rust. I'm using my own engine. I'm probably going to do multiplayer, and I'm probably going to do juggling the balls. You know, the theme slaughter round is happening right now, so we can vote for some themes. Any one of you are going to do the gems? How many of you are like here from the Rust and from the Bevy? Did you guys any time participate in LDs? Because if you participated in Bevy Jam and you think that was fun, then you should try participating in the LD, you know? Especially the play and rate phase when you see other people play in your game, and like that's what I enjoy a lot, you know? Seamless styling, no. Waxing and waning. Wait, if I click here, it's just like Googling this for me? Phases of the moon? Nah. AI, no. Bot spam. Well, this has been the theme the entire season while we were waiting for LD. That's enough of that. Kinetic. Is kinetic something that, like, applies to ball juggling? Oh, by the way, those of you who are going to participate, I'm still not sure yet. Do I want to do this compo or gem? I'm thinking compo though, because last gem I did a gem, and also a bunch of like recent game jams we did with a team. So I think I'm going to do this solo, and it also means that I have less time. So it's like 48 hours to make a game if you are doing compo, solo, everything from scratch. You usually aim for compo. Why? Just because? Any specific like reason why you are doing compo though? I think the reason I was doing compo before is because, you know, it's easier to win in compo because there's less competition. So like the extremely extreme sports, it says that it's top 3 in fun, right? But it is top 3 between like among compos, right? If it's not between in like all the games, right? Bragging rights, and also I don't know how to work in a team. Well, I also didn't know how to work in a team. My first team game was like I think the GitHub game off that we did with Rings and Brainoid was my first proper team game, right? I mean, no, we did work a little bit with Nerdzel before, but it's like different. Programmers in a team is weird. Yeah, I feel like splitting the team, the best way to do it is to have a programmer, sound, the art, and potentially the level designer. So the ideal team that we can have right now is me, Rinks, Brainoid, and Davey, right? We should make a game with all 4 of us sometime. I think I'm going to do a solo though. I don't think I'm going to create something very good this time though. I'm not sure when we're going to do it, if we are going to do another like gem. Like I said, I think it's just like this LD, then GMTK maybe. Is GMTK also like teams? Or solo? I think it just doesn't have the different categories. It's just like gem. No, let's make a team that's all programmers. So me, Bad Cop, and Nerdzel. That's another possibility. Feel like doing a very, very simple game this LD? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. When the theme comes up, if I can do a ball juggling game, I'm doing ball juggling game. Just calling it right now. And if not, then probably still going to do a ball juggling game. But maybe when the theme comes up and I can think of something else which like goes with the theme better. Let's make a team with no people, so like just AI. How many themes are like their suggestion? Oh, 2500. Nice. So we can do a stream like how okay, if I click on a theme every second, 2581 divided by 60 is going to take me 43 minutes, so less than an hour, you know? We just need to click every second, and less than an hour we're going to see all the things that have been suggested. What do we do, just programmers and sound people? Like a game when you're blind. Well, for some games, you don't really need the art, right? Like the ball juggling. 50 Shades of Array. Combine two incompatible genres. I think I've seen this somewhere. I think there is like a gem that does just that. Some of these themes are so stupid. It's always like this, no? Even the theme that I have suggested, the balls. What do you think about that? Do you like the balls, the theme? Combine two genres is too broad. Yeah, I think there is like a gem that does this, but they specify which genres you need to combine. There and back again. Oh, that sounds like ball juggling. Hold your breath. I don't know. Maybe. Stay hydrated. 2 is better than 1. Oh, this is about the ball juggling. Incompatible genres was a theme in LD before. Oh, really? I mean, that's also going to be happening all the time. In the dark, wait. So that's what we do. We do ball juggling in the dark. So that's how we do it with just programmers and sound people, right? And without any art. We just make the game that happens in the dark. Yep. Shadow Crushers. If you want the LD, this is another game jam that I'm going to do soon, right? I'm not suggesting that you do it with me because I'm going to do it solo with no one, you know? But if you want to try and do a game jam, why not try searching for people? If you don't know how to make games, but you know how to make music, right? I think some people could appreciate you doing the music for them. Try asking people for a team. Make the game with curses, no graphics required. The juiciest game ever. Pulling apart. I feel like the ball juggling also, the reason why I want to do this is because it's going to be like in other games I have always been controlling my character with arrows, and then in the ball juggling it's going to be the mouse. It's like a new kind of input that I never tried to do before. Gravity, yes. Mm. Hmm. All right. Well, as much as this is fun, do I have anything else to do? Any suggestions what I should do? Because how long have I been streaming for? 2.5 hours. Hmm. I don't really want to do much programming today. I think like tomorrow I will be working on the bot. And the Raffle Royale. Probably the Raffle Royale is the most important thing because that's specifically for LD. Oh, look at your dice. All right. Anyone else has a project that we can look at? Well, you have a YouTube video, a YouTube channel with just your VODs. Should I do that? Sometimes I wish I had my VODs saved somewhere, but they just get deleted. Do you just watch your VODs yourself? Add account. It's easy to do now? What do you mean? How do I create a new channel? Do you remember how to create a new channel? Your channel. Stream for 8 hours and watch for the VOD for 8 hours. Studio. No, I think you need to like it's like a brand account or something. In such a long. It's too hard. You say it's easy, it's hard, alright. So what did you want me to see?
Now we should be able to roll whatever we want.
No, shit, there was like the dices with 20
So if we say
sides or
1-1,
something.
we get 1-1. If we say...
Wait, did you just cheat? You said 1-1 before it actually rolled 1-1.
10...
Okay, how do I cheat? Let me see. What did you type? What do you have? Why do you have Blender open? Did you make this thing in Blender?
10. Oh, thank God. It's...
Do you see when other people are rolling also,
it's
right?
time.
I don't remember.
The war is over. So we should be able to roll. And we get a 3 and a 2. Excellent.
Oh, I saw a crab. That was Pog.
And we get a 3 and a 2.
This crab.
Excellent. That's exactly what happens. Chess, it's your turn. Turn on
Okay, what did you want me to see
the
here?
dice if you...
Oh, I wasn't the only one who saw the crab. What did you want me to see here? Do you want me to just watch your stream on stream? Just the T20 is cool? Alright, yeah, it's cool. It's cool. It feels like you need to add some shadows though. Because if this is like supposed to be like a table, when it's like doing the animation, there is no shadow
Unholy
underneath
deforms
the thing.
that are rigged to only.
Have you ever had a look at your profile pic? Was there a... Yes, I did take a look at your profile picture. Are you talking about Twitch? Oh, it's the same on Twitch. Yes.
Roll 1 to 6.
Maybe some sound effects also. Would be nice. Maybe. It's rigged because the server tells you what value the dice needs to roll to. I mean, it's fine. Wait. Why is it rigged? Server tells you what value the dice needs to roll to. Well, it's not the game that is rigged. It's like the animation is happening in such a way, right? It's like the battle royale that I was talking about, right? This thing. We need to just do the animation here. So it's like kind of rigged. But it's with real physics. Yeah. I mean, you can just... so how do you do this? You just do the animation. You see what ends up to be at the top. And then you rotate your dice in the beginning so that in the end it's like this, right? Is that how you're doing it? Change the UVs at the beginning? Yeah, makes sense. The whole physics sim relation in one frame and then playing it back. Yeah, that's how I would do it too. Although for the Raffle Royale, it's working differently because it's not physics. What is your boilerplate? I think we should... do you have your boilerplate, Batcop? Like an empty project? I don't have one. I just start literally from scratch every time. Boilerplate is cheating. But you... Is copy pasting from Stack Overflow cheating? No. Okay. So you copy paste from Stack Overflow during the jam. Well, how many jams have you made? Have you done? Not. Feel like at some point it's just like you are starting to do all the same things over and over. You know. Which makes sense to have a boilerplate at some point. Maybe. No, I kind of do even the multiplayer slightly differently though, still. If it's boilerplate, then it's moved into the engine, right? So the movement code for wizard game from another project? How could you? Would this be a good theme? Balls. Yes. Did you guys upvote this? I mean, judging by the number of likes for this theme, maybe we are actually going to get balls. You should just try using a different engine, you know, so that you cannot cheat like that, bad cop. Alright, I think I'm out of content for today. Okay, you will use Game Maker. Alright, tomorrow I will work on the bot, on the Raffle Royale. Today is a short stream. That's fine. Let's see, Jerem is there. Doing something. I remember when you used Geng for the first time for LD48. Wait, what was your first game? A groovy man, it's groovy man. Hello there. What are you doing? Nerdsoul. Games. Circle fight. You can use Geng and then I can steal all your boilerplate from my game. Oh wait, this was not the first game then. No, no, this is the roots. This is not the first time. Circle fight. Oh wait, you did this one in Unity, I think, right? This looks like Unity. GitLab. I think I was using GitLab back in the day because they had unlimited something compared to GitHub, like private repositories. I think at least collaboration something also. You use GitHub because you want the green dots. There are green dots on GitLab too, though. There are even like green dots on... You can self-host something and you can have your green dots there. Those are blue. I think I can like customize that though, right? GitHub has achievements. Achievements is like weird though. Angry cock. What is this man doing? You want to read Jerem, or do we go somewhere else? Like I said, I'm out of content. Like the fact that I have been streaming for 3 hours, just like doing nothing today, is already cool. You weren't doing nothing, you were streaming. Yeah, that's right. Well, I mean, technically I fixed some I did deploy the Extreme Sports, the new version. So now, like, I mean, nobody's going to play this game anyway, right? But I did it. Happy birthday, Extreme Sports, I guess. I mean, people sometimes look at this game, and now it's going to be a little better than before, I think.
Was through MXR, the Skyrim modding guy.
This man is using paint, so respect. Right? Anyway, see you guys tomorrow. That's it for me for today. Bye bye.